Hi there, it's Creative Sarah from creativesarah.com, and we are doing this really awesome, super trendy vintage truck. Now, I'm doing this on our 9x12 Aiden framed board, which is really awesome. The 9x12 size is of the actual chalkboard. I added just some sand colored chalk paste, and I'm scraping it off to make it smooth. I'm going to peel off this transfer. Now, I fuzzed my transfer before I put it down on our porcelain steel chalkboard. Need to dry this body of the truck before I add my next color, which is going to be like a baby blue. This next color is called Coastal. We're going to put this over top, and it's going to be a total vintage truck. Super awesome. And then I'm going to add some really great spring flowers. So it's going to be a really great addition to my spring decor. You're going to see the colors that I use are really great for spring colors, and I can't wait for spring to come here in Michigan. It is so chilly still. So I'm adding a little bit of that sand back to the top of that truck, which is like a wood board. So here we go. We're going to do the rest of the body of the truck. It's a very subtle color change to this truck, but looks really great in person. I know sometimes videos you can't always see the color as well as if you're in person. Peel that off. It looks really great. Let your eyes adjust for a minute because that you can see the blue on the body. So next I'm going to dry this and then put down this awesome floral bunching, and I'm doing just this random marbling technique where you just dot different colors. We've got peachy, we've got lilac, and we've got periwinkle, and I'm just going to make these colors kind of blend in like I've got a bunch of wildflowers in the back. This comes in our vintage truck add-on pack. So check it out.